Welcome. If you're tired of constant game notifications popping up on LinkedIn while you're working on your PC, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you through the simple steps to disable push notifications for games on LinkedIn using the latest update. First, open your preferred browser and head over to linkedin.com. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Once you're on your LinkedIn homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile picture, where it says Me. This will open a drop-down menu. From the drop-down, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to your account settings page. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. Click on Notifications. This section controls all the alerts you receive from LinkedIn. Now, scroll through the list of notification categories until you find Games. Click on Games to open the settings specific to game notifications. Inside the Games section, look for the option labeled Push Notifications. Here you'll see a toggle switch. To turn off push notifications for games, simply click the toggle so it switches to the off position. This will immediately stop LinkedIn from sending you push notifications about games on your PC. That's it. You've successfully disabled push notifications for games. You can always return to this menu if you want to turn them back on in the future. Taking a moment to adjust your notification settings can help you stay focused and keep your LinkedIn experience distraction-free. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with others who might be looking for the same solution. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a quieter, more productive LinkedIn experience.